We recently had the pleasure to do some upkeep on this cool 1968 Plymouth GTX at the V8 Speed and Resto shop. Now, while most muscle cars are fairly basic by design, the GTX was Plymouth's way to offer up a muscle car with a bit more style and comfort than a regular Roadrunner. Built on January 15, 1968, this GTX came standard with the Super Commando 440 V8, sporting a single 4-barrel carb, 10.1-to-1 compression, and it whipped up 375 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque. It's clamped to a 727 TorqueFlite automatic transmission, spinning a sure grip 323-to-1 rear gear, and it rolls on chrome Magnum 500 wheels. The original color was Burgundy Metallic, but we're not complaining about the bright Matador Red repaint. We dig the styling details like the argent rear tail panel, the cool GTX badges, and the dual black stripes that flank the body sides. A clean grille is blacked out to frame the GTX badge mounted front and center. And the blacked out hood has small side-facing simulated scoops with 440 badges peeking out, almost like a clown lurking in the storm drain, waiting for his next victim. These cars handled well, with beefed-up torsion bars and shocks for better cornering, but manual four-wheel drum brakes added muscle to the driver's braking leg. However, the power steering is nice and light. The 440 rumbles sweetly through dual exhausts. Inside, the GTX features bucket seats and a full-length console with upscale wood grain door and dash trim. And the 8,000 RPM tach is the only round-shaped gauge in the dash. It's pretty cool. While we didn't restore this whole car, we did recently do some maintenance on this one at the V8 Speed and Resto shop, and really enjoyed working on this clean 68 GTX. If you need a hand with restoring your ride and joy, you can reach us on our website anytime at v8speedshop.com, where you'll also find more pics of this Red X. And while you're there, check out our Muscle Car of the Week feature we did on an also red 68 GTX, but one of only 24 built with the 426 Hemi and a convertible top. And we'll catch you next time with something else cool from V8 Speed and Resto.